Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ick and Billy's Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Ecom has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ecombilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
This week saw some choppy action as the Aussie dollar tests some important levels. We think that the consolidation for this pair is over and there should be more upside in the coming week. Now for the bull case, we think that price is ready to move up from here and we should see it test 0.77 in the coming weeks. The last week of the month for October is going to be particularly choppy. So we may see some kind of random walk action here in this consolidation zone. But regardless, if you manage to get an entry near this price and place a stop loss here, I think you're pretty safe. It should give you a buffer big enough to withstand any volatility to the downside and then eventually see greener pastures in November. Now for the bear case, it is possible that price needs to break down further to the downside, maybe to test this moving average before any upside. So this is to shake out weak hands as well as over leveraged players, but we do not expect price to break 0.74.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there or until next week.